A few moments later.
You found it?
I was by one of these staircases. Maybe I'm on the stairs.
Over here, where I'm at?
Maybe on one of these.
It's not up here, Smags.
Give me this one too.
Found it, Will?
I found a belt.
Damn. First crash, Will. First crash, and it's still looking good. He's alive.
Dandy.
Alive.
Dandy, dandy.
Motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Would you use your water bill to drive the same like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me?
Pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Won't you use your water bill to dry the sea like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Do you tear yourself apart to entertain like me? Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Would you use your water bill to try to save me like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Do you tear yourself apart to entertain like me? Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me.
Just because it feels the same till the morning comes. Evil roads feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning comes. Evil roads feel the sun so cold.
Done flying BotsSchool. Had a good time. We broke some drones, all the ones I brought there. How about yours? All your drones dead or what?
Yeah, I
We got some flight controller issues, but it's all good. Bob Bando, yeah. Hell yeah. Y'all had a good time?
hell yeah, all quads are broken.
It's the best way to do it.
One spot I brought didn't work right. But
Yeah.
it's no fun.
Yours took off on its own, man. It was crazy.
Good packs though.
Yeah.
I want to give a shout out to Bot Grinder. Thanks for letting us fly your beautiful Bando bot. Yay, yay.